Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will talk about complex example of component token. Let's go. I have a button and I want to implement design token for this button as a part of my design system component library. So I have to create the option tokens, alias tokens, and component specific tokens. And I want to define the background color, the text color, the corner radius, width, and height for this specific button. So usually we start from some values. So here I have some values. I have this hexa color code as a blue, another one as a white. Number value as a pixel, 8 pixels, 150 pixels, and 48 pixels. So maybe this blue one, I can use it for the background, this for text, this for corner radius, this for the width, and this for the height. So the first step is create the option tokens. And option tokens mean we transfer or convert our values to some choices. So here this is an example of option tokens. So this hexacode color, I create a variable, give it a name, color blue 500, and this is a value for it. This one, color white 100, corner radius 8, sizing 150, sizing 48. So this can be my reference tokens or option tokens, and I have to create alias tokens. So the alias tokens are our second level of tokens. So I have, for example, primary color 500, and I give it a value color blue 500. Okay, natural color 100, corner radius medium, sizing large, sizing medium. So usually, because now we have one example of the button, so usually we have a lot of components, so you will have more options of corner radius. So maybe 4 pixel can be the small, 12 pixel can be large, and so on. Okay, so this is my alias tokens, and alias tokens here common. I can use it for many things, not only the button, but I have to create a component specific token. This one I have to hand over to the developers. So the component specific token here can be, because let's say this our button primary and default state. So the rule for this button is primary, okay, and the state is default. So I prefer here to be like button primary default. Then I will add my property. So here button primary default background color, I give it a value primary color 500, and another component specific token to control the text color, button primary default text color, I give it a value natural color 100, button primary default corner radius, I give it a value corner radius medium, button primary default width sizing large, button primary default height sizing medium. Okay, why I put here the values? Because once we take a decision to export our tokens to the code, so the tool we are using to export these tokens to a JSON code will automatically create this one and follow the flow until get the value. And at the end, if we have, for example, the CSS version, if we are creating a website, so once the developer call this token name, this value will be called. Okay. So now, this is our button before we assign this tokens to it. So for example, if I said now I'm taking a decision how my component library looks like. Once I assign this one to the button, it will be like that, because this is only the background. So I go to text and then assign the component specific token for the text. So it will be white like that. Corner radius, it will be 8. The width will be applied, and the height also will be applied. So we have to do this usually. This is a simple example, but if you take a look here, maybe this button is still missing component specific tokens. For example, can be for border, correct? Can be for padding. So I need you to do one activity. Try to find the option tokens, alias tokens, component specific tokens for this button to cover the border color, border width, padding X, padding Y. That's it for today. See you again. Bye.